Hi everyone, today we're on Module 5 of Level F of VMath, Algebraic Reasoning. This is Lesson 4, so please turn to page 17 to follow along and take notes. Our first word for today is variable. This is a letter or symbol that represents a number. So here we have the expression 2x plus 3p minus 10y. Well, all of those letters represent a number. However, x, p, y are not the same letters, so they do not represent the same number. So x, p, and y are variables that represent different numbers in this algebraic expression. And remember, an algebraic expression, this is an expression that can contain one or more numerals, one or more variables, and one or more operations. So numeral, a variable, and operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay, so lesson 4, it says using variables and expressions to solve problems. Sophie buys jars of paint that cost $6 each. Write an algebraic expression that represents the cost of the paint if she buys 5 jars of paint. Evaluate the expression. Let the variable n represent the number of jars of paint. The cost of the paint when buying n jars of paint is given by $6 n. So 6m, which remember there's a little multiplication sign in between there, invisible. So 6 times m. How many jars of paint does Sophie buy in the problem? Well, in the problem, it says she buys 5 jars, so we would write 5 right here. Then it says evaluate the expression 6n when n equals 5. 6n equals 6 times, remember there's a time sign, times 5. Substitute 5 for n in the expression. 6 times 5 is $30. The cost of the paint will be $30 if she buys 5 jars of paint. This says, use the following steps to evaluate t minus 8 when t equals 20. So notice there's a variable, but then now they're giving you the variable. T equals 20, so t minus 8, and we're going to substitute the value for the variable in the algebraic expression. So we would put in 20 for t. So then we know 20 minus 8 equals 12. So that is solving the algebraic expression. This says evaluate each expression, x divided by 3, when x equals 18. So we're going to substitute 18 for x right here. So then we would do 18 divided by 3. That equals 6, so that's your answer. And then over here, number 2, 9 plus m when m equals 11. So that means for m, we're going to substitute in 11 because it's telling us right here that m equals 11. 9 plus 11 equals 20. Okay, so now you're going to complete page 17 on your own. Make sure to write out your problems and ask your teacher if you have any questions or need help. Good luck.